Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I still am very bullish on gold. I still think this first was up is probably a 1. This is probably a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I think on these higher time frames, it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. My original target was around 2250, but I actually now believe that it's going to go quite a bit higher than that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is a 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. I believe we're at a wave 3 right now, and I believe, yes, it probably is going to go down, possibly even go down towards these lows, but I think overall it's going to keep going up. I think the more than likely this is like a 1, 2, and wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down even more to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's definitely a little bit of an odd pattern, but there is some clarity here. 3 ways down, 3 ways up. And then it looks like it made 5 ways down and then a crescent up. I think it's more likely this is either going to make an ABC of WXY, like this is going to be a W, this is going to be an X, and this is going to be an ABC of Y, which at this point seems pretty likely. Or this really is 3 ways down for an A, 3 ways up for a wave B, and now we're going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, which would be more like a flat pattern, which would be an ABC flat. Either way, I think we do have some more downside potential before we actually end this correction and continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see this trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think, like I said, there's a couple possibilities. Like I said, it's either an A or 1. I think it's clear this is 1, 2, 3 ways up to a 61% Fibonacci. I think that's either a B or a 2. And I think that we're going down now for either a C or a 3, just like I was explaining on the daily. Which either scenario, we do have a lot of downside potential left in this move, I believe. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely impulse it down. 1, 2, 3 up. It seems pretty clear that this is most likely a 1, 2, and most likely we're in a wave 3. Like I said, either a 3 of C or a 3 of 3, but either way, I don't really care because it's not important at this point in the pattern whether we know if it's a C or a 3. Either way, I will be looking for sorts at the end of any pullbacks that I see, especially if they're 3-way pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.